And welcome to the testing of this AT32. Firstly, I must open the hood. Then, I have this magnificent diagnostic thing right here. And it must replace the 6502. Now, one thing about inside these pets is it's dark. So, I'm not going to leave this on the whole time. Right now, I kind of need this. There we are. 6502 has been located. Now, some people, of course, like to use chip pullers. I like to use little screwdrivers. Why? Because I've never really had one sort of spraying on me. Now, it's funny, as I do this, I can feel that the board is not as securely in here as it might be. So I'm putting the screwdriver under the chip ever so delicately and twisting back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I don't like to get it way up because then you bend pins. But you gotta be careful. So now I'm just wiggling it out. And what do we have? 16502. Here is the diagnostics. There is, of course, a witness mark, so you can make sure that you get it in the right configuration. And it has a very good teeth on it. So, we do not require the beastly lights. So, I will turn it on. Alright, and so the testing begins. It does. But I am suspecting that you cannot see that terribly well. I'm going to let it run through once and just see if it says anything. So far it says everything's okay. And it tells me I have a couple of empty sockets. Those would be, if I were to put in the batteries included chips I found earlier, that it would not. I wonder what it would say if I had them in there. I wonder if it would say paperclip or what was that? Not paperclip. Maybe paperclip. What did they say? Still testing. Maybe it was another bag. It was another bag. Oh, yeah, paperclip and oracle. I wonder if it would say that there. I don't know. I just don't know. But what I do know is that so far this is testing and everything at this moment seems okay. What I'm going to do is turn this off, I use an iPad phone, I'm going to move the iPad closer. There's something on the screen here, but I can't get it off. Maybe it's permanent. Anyway, I'm going to move the iPad closer so you can get a real good look at what's going on here. So without further ado, I'm going to undo. See you in a moment. Bye for now.